This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group. The units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA, but their warranty is only average when compared to other brands. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use direct spark ignition, which is louder and less reliable than brands that use hot surface ignition. The units have a blocked drain sensor so that, if the condensate drain becomes clogged, the furnace is shut down to prevent water damage to the furnace and surrounding area. The TZ92M41T models offer basic single-stage furnaces with a 92% AFUE efficiency and a constant torque blower motor, but their warranty is not very good. The TZ95M41T models are a better option in the basic category as they have a 95% combustion efficiency and are backed by a better guarantee on the heat exchanger. The TZ96MDV models are premium two-stage furnaces with variable speed blower motors which are quieter and more efficient. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.